Hello guys, welcome to LAH Automation. I am Siddharth, and today we will understand the construction and working of a NO push button by a cool animation video. Let's start with the basic construction. We can divide it to three parts. First is actuator, second is contact, and third is connectors. When we press the actuator, it presses the upper contact sort link and attached spring. So upper contact sort link touches the lower contact and switch the open contact to close contact. But as soon as we left the actuator, it releases automatically and switch its position back to normally open contact. For more cool animation videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon for latest updates.